Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the most asked speaking topics. Describe a book that you read many times. You should say, when you read it for the first time, what kind of book it is, what the book is about, and explain why you like to read it again. Before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's begin the sample answer. Well, reading is one of my favorite hobbies and I have read many books. But here, I would like to talk about a book that I have read many times, and that is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book has had a profound impact on me, and it is one of those rare stories that I find myself revisiting repeatedly. Every time I read it, I discover something new, and its messages resonate with me in a way that feels both inspiring and comforting. The Alchemist tells the story of a young Andalusian shepherd named Santiago, who dreams of finding a hidden treasure located near the Egyptian pyramids. Motivated by the vision of this treasure, he embarks on a long and arduous journey across the desert. Along the way, he meets various characters, such as Melchizedek, the king of Salem, and an Englishman studying alchemy, who help him understand the importance of following his personal legend, a term that refers to one's true calling in life. The book is not just an adventure story but also a spiritual journey, filled with lessons about destiny, perseverance, and self-discovery. What makes The Alchemist so special to me is its universal message of pursuing one's dreams, no matter the obstacles. When I first read the book, I was in high school and struggling with the uncertainty of my future. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my life, and I felt a lot of pressure to figure everything out. The Alchemist came at just the right time, offering me a refreshing perspective on life's journey. The book taught me that the pursuit of one's dreams is not always straightforward and that the challenges we face along the way are often what help us grow and evolve. It helped me understand that it's okay not to have everything figured out immediately and that the process of learning and exploring is just as important as achieving the end goal. Since then, I have read The Alchemist several more times, and each time, I find that the book speaks to me in a different way. For example, the idea of the personal legend really struck me. In the book, Coelho argues that each person has a unique purpose or mission in life, something they are meant to accomplish. The concept of the personal legend helped me realize that my life had meaning, and that it was important for me to follow my passion and not be afraid to take risks. I have often found myself rereading this part of the book when I feel stuck or uncertain about my next steps in life. It reminds me to keep pushing forward and not to settle for less than what truly excites me. Another reason I keep returning to The Alchemist is the simplicity and beauty of Coelho's writing. Despite its spiritual and philosophical themes, the book is easy to read and accessible. Coelho's storytelling style is poetic and evocative, and the dialogue feels natural and thought-provoking. The story is not overly complicated, and yet it conveys profound life lessons in a way that feels almost effortless. I appreciate how Coelho weaves the idea that everything in the universe is connected, and that if we are determined to achieve our goals, the world will conspire to help us, though we must also be open to the lessons we learn along the way. In the end, I would say that The Alchemist is a book that has left a lasting impression on me. It is more than just a story about a boy seeking treasure, it's a story about following one's heart, learning from life's experiences, and understanding that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Every time I read it, I find new insights that help me navigate the challenges of my own life. It's a timeless book, and I believe that everyone could find something valuable in its pages. Whether for inspiration, motivation, or simply for the joy of reading, The Alchemist will always be one of my favorite books. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next video.